Hey guys, last time I came to Kenya was in 2019, and when I left, for some reason I took back a lot of Kenyan money. These are 1,000 shilling notes, and each one of these is worth right now about $9 US, so I have a lot of them, probably around 180, 190 US dollars worth of Kenya shillings. And when I came back here, I was happy to find all this money because I figured I could spend the first week or so, spend it on the first week's hotel or whatnot. When I got here, the taxi driver took me to my hotel and I paid, gave him a couple thousand, and he tells me, "I'm sorry, sir, but these money is no good anymore." So I was just shocked. I couldn't believe it. And so, apparently, in the last couple of years, they've changed the money in Kenya so that now they have these new notes, much smaller notes, these 1,000 shilling notes, and the money I had before is completely 100% worthless. Worth absolutely nothing. I guess there was a period where you could exchange for the new money, but now that period is gone. So there you go. The money's all gone.
Guys, so I moved locations in Nairobi. Right now I'm in Parklands, which is kind of like a suburb of Nairobi. Got a lot of like 4 or 5 story buildings here. I'm staying in the top floor of the Rooftop apartment in a 5-story building. And there's no elevator, so it's 5 flights, which I honestly don't mind because it's great exercise. So today I'm just gonna walk to the local grocery store. And it's quite peaceful out here. Complete opposite of downtown Nairobi for sure. Not too much around here. There's a Java House, which is where I've been eating breakfast the last couple of days, but it's like a 15-minute walk. After here, I'm probably going to go to Mombasa, or I may go to Nakuru first for a couple of days, then Mombasa. Really not sure. It's quite easy to take a bus from Nairobi to Nakuru. There's a bus station downtown, and there's a lot of different buses leaving all day long. I think it's like 2.5 hours by bus. And Uber works really well here, and it's really not that hard for them to find because it's kind of like it's not a road with a lot of traffic. So I just stand outside my place, call an Uber, and usually only takes about 4 or 5 minutes. For some reason they always text you before they come. I'm not sure why. Maybe just to see if you're a real person. I don't know. Canada is like it's all robotic. You know, you just call, guy comes, rarely says hi, you go there, and that's it. Here, by the way, you're gonna pay cash. I believe you always pay cash for Uber. I don't think they support PayPal, which they do in Canada. So for me to go to the local Sarit Center, which is a big shopping center, it's like $2, $2.50 US. It's about a 20-minute ride maybe. basically a second-class citizen, and cars take precedence.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think it's just a little supermarket that has most of what you're gonna need. It's called Foods Plus. And that watermelon looks good. It's really good. Yeah, I can't resist that watermelon. Get to weigh this, sir. And make sure you get your food weighed before you go to the counter, because they don't know. It's not like other countries. Thank you. Okay, so I just got a few things there and heading home. Go home a different way. Like everywhere else in the world, inflation has definitely hit Kenya. Like I would say, like for example, to eat at a restaurant compared to 2019, it's probably 20% more, I'd say, maybe. Groceries are more expensive too. Really want to save money, you could take one of those buses to, I think a lot of them go to like the main mall, Sarit Center. I'd rather just take an Uber. Hotel here. Hotel now open. I feel like wearing a mask simply because of all the not pollution, but dust and dirt in the air, and pollution from cars.
Ngara.
There's always construction going on somewhere, and if you're unlucky, it'll be going on right next to your Airbnb. It's not my case, but remember I was in this construction site, and I didn't think they're wearing hats, are they? Most of them aren't. Helmets. I was in Dakar, Senegal for 2 weeks, And the first few days is fine. And the second week, like 8 in the morning, I hear this big thuds upstairs in the apartment above me. Like, what the hell is going on? Apparently what's happening is they were basically ripping out the entire floor of the apartment above me. It was like, the noise was just unbelievable. This went on for a whole week. Like, you just literally could not even be in the apartment during the day. It was that bad. Lima Plaza. You know, I'm just gonna go back the other way. Walk past my apartment. Odyssey's Grill Lounge Pizza. Maybe I'll come here later. Yeah, it looks alright. Maybe I'll try pizza in Kenya. Cyber Cafe. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Yeah, this is the apartment I'm staying at. As you can see, it's on the rooftop. Got a pretty nice view.